If you just logged into your Amazon Associates account and realized that the option to grab a link with the picture through SiteStripe has disappeared into thin air, you're not alone. I know the whole a trouble shared is a trouble half thing doesn't always cut it, and if you received infamous email from Amazon, you're probably frustrated and in full-on panic mode, thinking all your hard work is down the drain, left with a heap of links and code to manually sort it out so that your content doesn't look like a total mess. Plus, where are you going to get your Amazon's private images from now on? I feel you. But hey, don't hit the panic button just yet. There is a quick fix, and if you want to save your sanity and most importantly your Amazon earnings, keep watching. I've got the solution. So what happened? Amazon sent out an email to affiliates stating, on December 1st, 2023, 2 of the SiteStripe features, image and text plus image, will no longer be available. Links created on your site using image and text plus image will stop working December 31st, 2023. Please remove them from your content as soon as possible if you have not already done so to avoid broken images on your site. Please note the standard text links from SiteStripe will continue to be available and work appropriately. So, not only can you not grab images through SiteStripe anymore, but anything you've already got on your blog using these features is gonna turn into a hot mess come December 31st. Crazy, right? If you don't want your content looking like a broken image graveyard, you've gotta take action like yesterday. And here is the kicker. The dates they gave might not even be accurate. People in our Facebook group blogging for new bloggers are already saying they can't see the image or the text plus image options. Some blogs out there already have broken links. It's like a whole thing. Thanks, Amazon. Just what we needed right before Christmas, huh? But no need to panic. We're gonna figure out what to do. First, let's talk about what you can't do, because lots of bloggers are wasting time fixing images using methods that aren't even approved without even knowing it. In fact, one of the don'ts is quite shocking. Let's dive in. What's against the terms of service of the Amazon affiliate program? When it comes to using images for Amazon affiliate links, it's like navigating a minefield. You can't just grab any picture and link this picture to Amazon. No, Amazon has some serious rules. So first off, don't use stock photos. Any clickable image on your site leading to an Amazon product has to be the official one from Amazon. You can have cool original or stock photos in your articles, and that's fine, but linking these photos to Amazon's against the rules. Even if you get permission from the manufacturer or the seller to use photos, you can use them on your blog, but don't even think about linking them to Amazon. And no, downloading or screenshots from Amazon, that's a big no-no. The only legit way is linking to their product with their API. By requiring this, Amazon can ensure that affiliates are not using different images that could mislead customers. You're not even allowed to add Amazon affiliate links to your own photos of Amazon products. Shocking, right? Your own photos are great for SEO and Google might love it and readers like to see products in action, but Amazon's got some strict rules for their images to boost conversions, and the only way you can link to Amazon through an image is by using their API. So I'm not saying ditch your own pictures. They're great for SEO and sales. Just don't add Amazon affiliate links to them. That's against the rules. So to recap, you can add your own photos or stock photos or photos of the product with permission from the seller or manufacturer throughout your blog post, but you can't make them clickable with your affiliate links leading to the Amazon product. It's like Amazon's way of making sure you're not tricking or misleading your readers. So if you can't do any of this, what can you actually do? So let's talk solutions. But first, if you're enjoying the tips so far, hit the subscribe button to get more tips on how to grow your blog and make money blogging. Back to what you can actually do, your first option is the product advertising API, which is mentioned in the email from Amazon. Sound fancy, right? But here's the catch. It's only for people with approved accounts who have made at least 3 qualifying sales within 180 days. And not gonna lie, it's a bit on the nerdy side, like you need some coding skills to navigate that territory. But don't worry, there is a more straightforward option. A plugin like Lasso will fix all your problems. In fact, they confirmed that the changes to Amazon SiteStripes do not affect Lasso. In case you never heard of it, Lasso is a plugin that provides an all-in-one solution for affiliate marketers, bloggers, and content creators to increase their website income. It does the heavy lifting by automatically grabbing product images, titles, and prices from Amazon. So by using Lasso, you can still have those sleek images of Amazon affiliate products that lead straight to Amazon. This is because this plugin uses the API system, which is allowed by Amazon. Now, I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen with those SiteStripe images that you already have on your blog, but Lasso's got this feature called Auto Amazon. It hunts down every Amazon link on your entire site, making sure they all monetize. Plus, it has other features that will flag broken links, and Lasso smoothly imports stuff from less sophisticated plugins like Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin, Thirsty Affiliate, and Pretty Links. So I thought the migration of your SiteStripe images to Lasso would be pretty easy to implement. Word on the street is they might even roll out an auto-migrator tool soon. So I'm not entirely sure if the migration of your broken links will kick in right away or take a bit, but one thing's for sure, it's hands down the best way to sort things out and handle Amazon product images moving forward. And the features. Lasso helps you create these gorgeous, high-converting product boxes that practically scream, buy me. It's like the superhero WordPress plugins taking your affiliate game to a whole new level. Tested and proven, it increases click-through rates and boosts conversions. But wait, there is more. Lasso not only imports all the crucial products from Amazon, but it also lets you use the Amazon product photo you actually like. So unlike SiteStripe, which limited you to the first photo of the product, with Lasso, you can pick the photo you like the most. Plus, Lasso keeps you in the loop with alerts for broken links or out of stock products, no more losing commissions. Bonus point, it plays nicely with all affiliate programs. Seriously, it's the affiliate marketer's dream tool. You can check it out at the link in the description box down below. Addressing the problem with Amazon affiliate images is a game changer for your SEO, user experience, and conversion rates and sales, especially during the holiday season. But it's absolutely crucial to tackle it the correct way if you don't want to risk your Amazon affiliate account. The rules are seriously strict and there are plenty of them. Check out this video next where I dive into the do's and don'ts of the Amazon affiliate program. It's a must watch if you don't want your account shut down and lose all those hard-earned commissions. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao e a presto!